Is your Xiaomi phone's Compass app constantly crashing or refusing to work properly? If you're facing this issue, you are in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to fix the Compass app on your Xiaomi phone so you can get back to navigating smoothly in no time. So let's dive right in. Solution 1. Clear app's cache and data. Tap and hold the Compass app, then press I icon. Now tap Storage. After that, tap Clear Data. Next, tap Clear Data. Now tap OK in the pop-up. Solution 2. Disable battery optimization for the Compass app. Scroll down and find Battery. After that, tap Battery. Now choose Unrestricted or something similar. Solution 3. Restart your phone. Press and hold the power button, then slide to reboot. Solution 4. Check for the latest software or MIUI updates. Go to the Settings app. Next, tap About Phone. Then hit the MIUI version logo and check for updates. If any updates are available, download and install the updates. Alright folks, hopefully these steps have helped you fix the Compass app on your Xiaomi phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and fixes. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.